Well, there are many ways in gCADPlus to draw lines. The simplest is if, for the sake of argument, you're drawing the footprint of a house, you just click into the design area, pick draw, so I'm going to draw a line, and I'll start some arbitrary point. I'll just head off in the direction indicated by my mud map. I've been on site and measured that we're going to go 8 feet in a horizontal plane across to the right. So I'll put polar on. That enables me to lock in, so I can just type 8 feet in this direction. Then I could go 15.5 feet in that direction and so on. So I'm sure you can see entering lines of fixed length is very easy using that technique. But you can, however, put lines in using coordinates. If I change my drawing colour now to red, and I say I'm going to start the line command by typing L, I'm going to type in a pair of Cartesian coordinates from 0, 0. That means 0 in the X and 0 in the Y. Now as I pull away, you can see I'm anchored at that 0, 0 point. And then I could type the next pair of coordinates, which in this case might be 8, 0, and then right click and exit. So I can draw a line in that way. But I could also just draw some sort of arbitrary line by clicking there and then moving away and clicking again. So go for line, just click and exit. Rather than type pairs of coordinates, we could say I'm going to draw a line from some arbitrary point here, but then I'm going to use at 8 angle. These are polar coordinates. Sorry, not an angle of 45, but an angle of 0, and hit enter. So in goes a line of precise length. If we pick that line down here that was drawn with an arbitrary click to start and an arbitrary click to finish, its length is shown over here, so it's 15.515. So you can get information about any of these line entities by simply clicking on them, and the length and other information about it, the coordinates, will show. So that was using polar coordinates, but you can use relative coordinates to draw a line, say, at 8 units long, in the X, and then 0 in the Y. So I hope you can see lots of different ways of putting lines into gCADPlus drawings. We still think, rather than worry about those other systems, just put the footprint down in the way we described here.